Today we are diving into the latest release from Huawei, the Nova 12 SE. Whether you're a photography aficionado, a multitasking pro, or someone who values sleek design and powerful performance, this device has something for everyone. Join us as we explore its cutting-edge features, stunning display, innovative camera setup, and much more. Let's start with what catches your eye first, the display. The Nova 12 SE boasts a vibrant 6.67-inch OLED screen with 1 billion colors and a buttery-smooth 90 Hz refresh rate. Whether you're binge-watching your favorite shows or scrolling through social media, every detail pops with clarity and brilliance. If we talk about the memory. With a whopping 256 GB of internal storage and 8 GB of RAM, the Nova 12 SE ensures you never have to compromise on space or speed. Say goodbye to lag and hello to seamless multitasking, gaming, and app usage. Main camera. Now let's talk about main camera detail. The Nova 12 SE features a powerful triple camera setup, including a jaw-dropping 108MP main sensor, an 8MP ultra-wide lens, and a 2MP macro lens. From sweeping landscapes to intricate close-ups, every shot is a masterpiece waiting to happen. If we talk about the selfie camera, the Nova 12 SE's 32MP front-facing camera ensures you always look your best, whether you're snapping selfies or video calling your loved ones. With crisp details and natural colors, your selfies will be Instagram-ready in an instant. If we talk about the battery, no more worrying about running out of juice halfway through your day. With its massive 4,500 mAh battery and lightning-fast 66W wired charging, the Nova 12 SE keeps up with your busy lifestyle. Plus, with reverse wired charging, you can even power up your other devices on the go. If we talk about the features, from advanced sensors like fingerprint recognition to NFC for seamless payments, the Nova 12 SE is packed with features designed to make your life easier and more convenient. Whether you're unlocking your device or paying for your morning coffee, it's all at your fingertips. If we talk about the platform, powered by EMUI 14 and the Qualcomm Snapdragon 680 4G chipset, the Nova 12 SE delivers smooth performance and efficient multitasking. With its octa-core CPU and Adreno 610 GPU, you can breeze through your favorite apps and games without skipping a beat. If we talk about the network, stay connected wherever you go with the Nova 12 SE's support for GSM, HSPA, and LTE networks. Whether you're streaming music, downloading files, or video calling friends and family, you can count on fast and reliable connectivity. If we talk about the release date and price, the Huawei Nova 12 SE was announced on March 19, 2024, and is now available for purchase starting at €379. With its sleek design, powerful performance, and innovative features, it's a steal at any price. The Huawei Nova 12 SE is more than just a smartphone, it's your ultimate tech companion. With its stunning display, powerhouse performance, and versatile camera setup, it's ready to take your mobile experience to the next level. So why wait? Upgrade to the Nova 12 SE today and discover a world of possibilities at your fingertips. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews and updates. Have any questions or thoughts about the Huawei Nova 12 SE? Let us know in the comments below. Until next time, thanks for watching.